was on cue. That was perfect timing. Okay, drop the I dropped the off can. Well, so Rexa doesn't want to give me any hints as to where we're going. None. Yeah. Nothing.
Yeah, I will.
What?
We're going to New York.
Not in 3 hours. Can't fool me like that. Whatever, not in 3 hours. So, tomorrow's my birthday, right? What's today's date? 29th?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. These guys are planning something.
I'm going to New York.
That involves deep woods. Since it's deep woods written on this off can.
New York has forests too.
Nobody.
Right?
Huh?
New York has forests too, right?
No, we not going to New York. So, they're not telling me nothing. Comment down below your guess. I'm going to keep y'all posted because I'm going to be paying attention to all the exit signs, all the interstate directions, everything. To piece together where they taking me.
So now you're falling in love. Here we go now. The feeling's tearing me up. Here we go. Now she does it like this. So you do it like that. She does it like this. So you touch it like that. She moves like this. So you do it like that. Come on, shake, shake, shake.
This is way better than Vegas. I ain't even did it yet.
No.
Vegas wasn't.
This looks better than Vegas though, because Vegas, some of their stuff kind of blend. Sweet frog, premium frozen yogurt.
It's just everybody want to have LEDs, but it's all the same color.
Y'all want to go to the Parrot place?
Yeah, they got way more stuff than Vegas.
Shut up. You getting on my nerves.
You spit on my arm. Damn. The back of my arm.
Hey, they got way more stuff than Vegas.
You getting on my nerves. Y'all just spent the last 5 minutes saying no, and then now you.
Yeah, they got way more stuff than Vegas.
Handbags though. Wait a minute, that's my
Vegas was a lot of liquor stores. Vegas just charged you $1,000.
Wow, what is that right there?
Whoa.
That water.
What the hell is that?
Lost treasure.
That's a golfing
That's
place.
a golf place too.
Ooh, that's pretty.
You don't want to even go to the place you're going at no more, do you?
Past night, I was like, where are we going?
You don't even want to go to the place we was going
We got
at.
16 minutes to get where we getting to.
Mad Dog's Creamery.
Oh, that sounds good. I would
We don't eat ice cream.
I would break right now.
We
Funnel cakes?
Ooh, they got fun.
Look where?
Got on the nose.
On that
Got on the
place?
sign.
They got funnel cake.
Cakes.
Y'all want to get funnel cake and look at the girl eating that ice cream.
She
Oh my
licking
God,
the
she
bottom.
licking the bottom and everything.
Look at the daddy. He looking the bottom
Y'all
and
want some
side.
ice cream?
We gotta watch other people eat. Hell, I want to eat too.
Nobody riding.
Oh, look, they got a book warehouse.
Running over people. Southern Bear. I'm giving you some.
Why
merch.
nobody got excited about this?
Some what?
Some merch.
Is that the
You
coffee
gassed
place
the
or
whole
that's-
time here. You should have been on cruise control.
Trees, I'm
forgetting
not
about
staying
that.
at 70 this whole thing. I got my butt up to 85, 90. Ninja course, top jump, Trees, let's do it.
Ooh, top jump. I can't do that. I wouldn't want to. That would just take me out. I can't do that. I can't believe we done drove all the way to the Smokies. It's dope.
And you still haven't figured out where we going.
Nope. I still don't know what we doing, but this dope right here. I'm hungry. We done passed up all this food. Where we going? They about to have some food. Margaritaville got another resort up there.
Oh, resort.
You just heard Margarita.
Picture for y'all come back.
It's a person that likes to drink.
She just heard Margarita
That's
and
somebody
got
likes to
hype.
drink.
Guitars and tiki bars.
And a whole lot of love.
Man, that was.
Alright.
That don't grow since we've been up here.
Oh, yes, we like a glove.
I can't believe this right now. In the Smokies. She just dropped her phone.
You didn't see him with his blinkers
No,
on?
I'm trying to
She
get my
just
phone
dropped her
together.
phone. Hey, we should have taken a tour of where those people that was hunting for Bigfoot took the tour at. Maybe we could find it.
Wants to find Bigfoot.
We can find Sasquatch and end all of this bull crap. They said he's been spotted numerous times in the Appalachian
You
Mountains.
got me jacked up.
What we gonna do when we find them, Tree?
Take pictures like they did. Take videos and submit it.
Hey,
And then worst case scenario, we don't see nothing, we can dress Rex up in a bunch of fur.
you gonna give me shot out here. Somebody
Get
I don't
paid
know
for
what that
once.
is.
Get paid for once. That's all we gotta do.
They gonna stick needles
So
in
y'all
me to
think
take
that's a
blood.
good idea, or y'all?
I wouldn't mind going
Y'all
doing
not
something like
sold
that just
on
to be, have fun with it.
Get behind us. Ooh. Y'all remember we said we wanted to do that? Oh, that's what we coming to do, huh? Uh-huh. Now them pieced it together. We about to get on this mud. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. First 3 characters of your license plate to park. I go to pay thing.
How much y'all pay?
Maybe it's free. Y'all ain't think about that, did y'all? I remember going to that aquarium.
Get right there,
Made
brother.
it.
Let me take y'all.
We made it.
We just gonna look at you. When you have on ass, just look at it.
We about to go. We are about to get on there. And take it all the way up. How y'all feel? Y'all nervous?
I'm not. I'm happy. I'm excited.
You nervous, Rexel?
No.
I ain't never scared. I'm excited.
You lose that phone,
Tapping
you ain't
it.
getting it back. That's,
There we go. Woo. Heights, boy. This is awesome.
this is cool.
Hey, this is a good
Look over
idea.
there. Look over there now, y'all.
My feet dangling over the mountain. Look
Raise our
good.
tall feet up again.
Probably when we get to right there. So great job, guys. Dope surprise. The Vista Gardens. Oh, nice. This cool intro.
Look at this.
Yeah, let's go over there and look. Oh, it's a nice overlook. I like the seating area.
Jen, I'm coming to you in my adventure. My day. Okay, and your way. Hey guys. I'm gonna go. Swing now.
Loving it. All right. Any nerves?
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm pretty excited. I've been excited this whole time about just walking through stuff, going at higher elevations. This is awesome. I can't wait to go up through here. Look, this is where we headed. All of that. That's where we're going. Got the treetop walk. Wow. So you can go off to that side at the entrance. Then we go downhill here to the treetop walk. And that's where we're headed, that treetop walk right there. So adios, guys. I want to watch my steps. That was awesome. We got this last part. Every time Rex will get on here, start jumping even more. I ain't getting taken. Rexo. Every time he got on. Oh, Rexo. Trying to be funny. Your heavy foot butt. Hello. Wait, what?
No.
What in the world? What in the world?
That's all I got.
Yeah, we can sit over here. They got the panoramic view. Whew. This is beautiful, man. This has been an adventure. This is awesome right here. I truly enjoyed this, guys.
I'm glad you did, babe.
Yeah, this is cool. Now I'm about to dig into these wings. Give me some bourbon baked beans and some smoked wings and a tea, because I'm good like that. All right, let's get it. As we were ordering, I decided to take some B-roll of the lighting fixtures. They were very unique. Some of them had actual mason jars to hold the light, and then others were made out of logs, actual tree logs. I thought that was really cool. We sat down and ate, and then we headed back down to the bottom to leave this part of the Smoky Mountains. We're waiting on our ride, guys. In the cabin now.
If I had a cane, I wouldn't.
Cabin now. Woo. Adios. But tree part area. Wow. So we're almost through with our ride, guys. And we just saw a bear. That's icing on the cake right there. Didn't I say that when we came up here, where we see a bear over there in the woods? And we seen one. That's so cool. I'm going to insert the clip right here for y'all to check it out with us.
It says her cuz is down there too. That's what somebody said.
Oh, this is awesome.
Did y'all zoom in on it?
Yep.
It's not gonna be too clear.
Oh, look at that. This is cool.
Wouldn't be the Smoky Mountains if it wasn't there.
Wow,
Huh?
where's the cuz? They said it's down there. They said it.
It's been fun.
Cool.
Yeah, those cabins probably see bears all the time right there. Ooh. 10 out of 10 recommend this trip. This is dope. Look at that bridge. That's the map out right there. It's lit up so you can see it now. We can't see it right here. Let's see if I can zoom in. The Golden Bridge. I wonder where's that bell located?
Okay, here.
Yeah. Rex, you remember going to that aquarium? I do. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, that aquarium, that's the biggest aquarium in the state of Tennessee.
Oh, that's cool. I decided to end this video with another shot of the Smoky Mountains. It was such a great time. I really enjoyed it. If you guys want to keep up with me, definitely hit subscribe, like this video, and comment down below your favorite part of it.